kale, bib lettuce, romaine, red sorrel, mustard greens, bok choy, mizuna, basil, sage, marigolds, and other flowers. They insert pre-seeded pods, but like a giant Keurig for plants, and then wait for a notification on their app when to harvest. We circulate water around the farm to feed the plants, and then they have LED grow lights that provide all the necessary conditions. We control all of that through the cloud using sensors and cameras. People now want to invest in more sustainable supply chains, more resilient supply chains, and vertical farming as a whole is a really viable solution for that. So there are a lot of tailwinds aside from the pandemic that were pushing the industry forward, and this has really just accelerated that. I think it's safe to say we're going to see a lot more vertical farming in the future.